Carlos, and is here from FMCA in the Republic of Korea. Welcome back to my channel. At this time, I will assemble the Beaver 2000 milliampere wingspan made by FMS. I will check out the fuselage first. You know what it is? This is the glider pro system. Install the retractor here, the electric retractor, and the string will be go back to the gliders, FMS gliders, and you can control this retract system with the your transmitter and release the strings connected to the glider, and the glider will go by itself in the air after the release. Now I will show you the how to install this glider relay system here after the assemble this airplane. Let's go to assemble first. Right, first I will assemble the main landing gear here. This is the main landing gear. It seems very heavy. That is made by aluminums. You have to use this 3 bolt, named HKM 3.0 26 millimeters bolts to fix this landing gear system. Okay. There are 3 places to fasten the bolts like this using the wrench. Alright, this is the first step to assemble this FMS Beaver. And then I will connect the main wings first. That is the second step according to the manual. This is very simple to connect. There is the one-click system for the main wings. Can you see that? That is one-click system. Just insert the wing here and here. That's all. The main wing is assembled, and you can fix the 4 place the bolt, the wing bolt. Can you see that? 2, 3, 4. And the wing bolt is the same HKM 3.026 millimeters. I need the 4 M3 26 millimeters bolt. This is the wing reinforcement strut. 6 pin. This is very important when you assemble the airplane at the field. You must easily access these wings for the assemble and disassemble. Just put in the hole this pins like this, and That's all. It's connect this reinforcement wing strut with the fuselage. It's a very good ideas for the high positioned wing airplanes with this kind of reinforcement struts to fix. And next, now I will install the horizon stabilizer and find out this scale pipe made by plastic or carbon something. The wing pipe here. This scale pipe is for the connect the other side of a stabilizer. This scale pipe is the roller to move these elevator pins together simultaneously, like this. And there are 4 wing bolts to fix here. HKM, the 10 millimeters for the horizon stabilizer. This is HKM 10 millimeters to fix the horizon stabilizer. Alright, I fastened all 4 bolts to fix the horizon stabilizer hole. There is a light system, the tail, and you have to connect the scale pipe for the moving the elevator together. Next, the vertical wings, and there is a sub connector in the fuselage. Connect this rudder sub connector. Check the color of the line, the brown. Okay. Right, it's well assembled. Insert here. There's no bond to assemble this, all the planes, the parts. That's all. And to fix these vertical wings, you have to use the 26 millimeters HKM3 26 millimeters bolt here. And one is for here. That's the bolt, not too much. Not much strong. I finished the assemble the important parts of the many parts of these airplanes, and now I will assemble the accessory parts of the airplane. At this time, I will assemble the detailed parts that is named vortex generator. I don't know what is the vortex generator. There are 4 vortex generators you have to install. Be careful the direction of these parts. Vortex generator, right? And not the first panel, the second panel is the location to assemble this vortex generator, all right? And 2 more vortex generator at the other side, mounting directly. All right, this is the pitot pipe here. I use the 04 and good. And the back side of the airplane, the horizon stabilizer, we will attach the slat, something. Like this. I already adapt the wool pull for here. The two place of the airplane. Assembled on the plane, and just I have the two antennas. Now I will assemble the propellers. This is the final step for this airplane, and after assemble this, and I will assemble the flutter of these beavers. Great. All right. The assemble of the FMS 2000 millimeter wingspan, the Beaver, the Havilland company, is the assembly is dispatched. And next time I will assemble the float system of this airplane, and I will install on this airplane. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.